everyone, today we're going to do a mermaid.
A mermaid. What mermaid are we drawing?
Ariel.
Ariel, that's right. We're going to be drawing Ariel. We're going to use our Sharpies and our alcohol markers to colour in. Hope you follow along. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do this. High five. Cool. All right, first thing we're going to start with Ariel's mouth. And we're just going to do a nice smile. Just a nice small smile for Ariel. Yeah, you can do that. Good job. And then right next to her mouth, we're going to draw eyes. And we're going to draw like a tall, long eye. It's going to look like this.
Like an oval.
An oval, that's right. And we do the other one. And we can give Ariel a few little highlights.
I'm going to give one highlight.
You can give her 1 or you can give her 2. I'm going to give her 2. And let's colour in her eyes. Good job. And then once you've coloured the eyes, we're going to give Ariel some eyelashes. So we're going to draw a line on the top of her eye. It's just a curve like this. And on the other eye. Good job. And on the other one, yeah. Good job. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then another little line at the bottom on each eye, just like that. Good job. And you can start from the bottom of our eye. There you go. And then let's add 3 little eyelashes from the side. And 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Good. Okay, try to keep your eyelashes the same size. But that looks really cute. Now we're going to draw Ariel's head. And we're going to start a line next to her eye over here. And we're going to go down and her chin. And then back up to about here. We're going to stop there. Okay, let's go. I'm going to do mine starting here. We go a little bit flat. And then up like that. Flat and then curl background. Good job. Okay, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a hair, and we're gonna stop at this corner, so just above her eye, and we're gonna go down and past her head there. So we're gonna go down like that and around. So you can start there and go down. And you're gonna land back here. So do that line. Good job. Okay, it's very tricky, but you've done really well there. And then on this side, we're going to draw another line, and it's going to curl around to this line, like that. So a little bit down and then around. So, yeah, so down, yeah, and then you can stop there. Yeah, go. All right, good job. It's really tricky to draw Ariel's hair, but you're doing a good job. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to start from this corner and go around and up there. And you're going to stop over here. So you're going to start here, go round and up. Good job. That's okay. You can stop there, that's fine. Okay, and what we're going to do, before we draw the rest of the head, we're just going to give her a little flower over here. So over there, you can draw a little circle, like that. Good, and we're going to draw a petal above, like that. And try to make it a little bit thicker, so watch what I do. And then, like that. That's a little better. You can go out and down, so out and down, and then up and down again. Yeah, and carry on adding your flower petals. And I'm going to add some behind. Great job, nice flower, good job. Okay, and now we're going to continue the hair. So we're going to start just behind this line over here. So we're going to go round and we're going to stop here. But you're going to make it up and down, okay? Watch what I do here. Go around and down. Wow, big hair. Good job. All right, and then we're gonna do another line, but it goes behind the flower. So we're gonna stop just over there like that. Join that line. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this line from behind the flower. It's gonna come down and to that point over there. And join the point. There you go. Good job. Okay, looking really good. So now we're gonna draw Ariel's body, and we're gonna draw 2 straight lines. They go like this. 1, 2. Very good. And we're gonna draw Ariel's arms, and we're gonna draw lines that go out like this. So just next to, that's it. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a little round bit, comes in. That's all right, that's fine. And then another one there, and back out. Good job, all right, good. Now we gotta draw Ariel's tail. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line coming down, and then it's going to curl out a little bit to where our tail is going to finish. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go down and out, up, kind of like a J going the other way, or an L. And then, good job. And now what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a big curve that comes around and catches up with this part of our tail. So all the way like that. Okay, so you can watch what I do. Yeah. Let's try that one again. We want to make it round and join back up to the top. So let's try it again. Okay. So go here and go round and back in. It's really tricky. Yeah, you can start there, but make it round at this part. All right, good job. Okay, next we can draw Ariel's fin, can't we? So this is what we're gonna do. Is we're gonna go. It's gonna come out like that. 2 little lines on either side. Good job. And on the other side. And then we're gonna curl it out. So, yep, perfect. And on the other side as well. And then we're gonna draw 2 curves that are gonna meet in the middle from either side. Good job. And that's her fin. Maybe you can just draw a little line there like that. That's gonna be her fin. All right, and now we're going to draw the part where her tail joins her body. So we're going to draw a line like that. We're going to draw a little middle point over there. Okay, so you can add your little middle point there. Good, and then we're going to draw. And it goes up like that. Good, and another one that goes like that. Good job. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw one more under each of those, and they're just going to join at the same place. Good job. And now we're just going to draw her top. And what we can do is do a center point again for ourselves. Put one there. And then we're going to draw this round bit like that. Good job. And then on the other side. And then we can come underneath. And underneath the other side. Good job. And then she wears shells, doesn't she? Her top is kind of like little seashells. So we can draw 2 lines like that. Amazing. And now the last thing we got to do is we got to finish her hair, don't we? So what we're going to do is this line, you're going to follow this down to there. Oops, sorry, I'm drawing a little bit. So like that. Good job. And then we're going to draw, to remember how to do it, we're going to draw a line that comes around and down to there. So from here we go round and there. So you want to curl it. And then we're going to draw up and just behind her head. So up and there. And then this one can come right down. That's all right. I'm just finishing mine. Yours is good. Awesome job. You've done a really good Ariel. Really tricky drawing, but you did so well. We're going to color our drawings now, so you can pause. We're going to fast forward, so you can pause if you want to catch up. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Well done, Selma. You've done a fantastic Ariel, and I really like how you added all that little water there as well.
Yeah.
Very creative. Well done. Do you like my Ariel?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had fun too. High five for you. Good drawing. Hope you guys enjoyed that and liked our drawings. If you did like our drawings, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe as well.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye everyone.